can't believe you thought I did
I
it.
can't believe you thought I did it. I'm not the one fucking prone to murder here.
Name me one person I've murdered. Is this the only reason you proposed to me?
No.
It is, because you thought
No.
I was fucking guilty.
There's plenty of fucking reasons, but yeah, I'd say it came up today because not testifying against you is a pretty big plus, Mickey.
So, Misters Gallagher and Milkovich, shall I proceed with the marriage license application?
Yeah, please, proceed.
Okay, great. So, Mr. Milkovich, if you could just sign right on that line here. And now, Mr. Gallagher. You'll sign. Yep. Yep, right on that line right there. That's good. Mr. Gallagher?
Fuck, just talk for it. Hey, can we have our paperwork back, please? Sorry to waste your time. Hey, Mickey?